You don't need 20% down to buy a house. I'm Nick Burrow, and this is the truth about home buying. This is the question I hear most often from my clients. Do I need 20% down to buy a house? For most people, the answer is a resounding no. So let's talk about the down payment requirements for the 4 most common types of home loans. A conforming loan is a mortgage that meets guidelines set by Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. For most first-time home buyers, the minimum down payment is just 3%. If you're in a high balance market or this isn't your first home, the minimum down payment will be 5%. Conforming loans are usually the go-to for those with good to great credit because the fees associated with conforming loans are typically the lowest. FHA is a home loan that is government-backed by the Federal Housing Administration. The minimum down payment for an FHA loan is 3.5% of the purchase price. This program usually offers lower interest rates but has more costs associated with the loan. This program is amazing for those with less than perfect credit or those who need a little more wiggle room in their debt to income ratios. VA loans offer home loans specifically for military service members, veterans, and eligible surviving spouses. The great thing about VA loans is they don't require a down payment, making it easier for veterans to purchase a home. However, it may require a small funding fee, which can be rolled into the loan. VA loans are just a small way we can thank our military personnel for their service. USDA loans are offered as part of the Rural Development Program. To qualify for a USDA loan, you must buy in a rural area and meet certain income requirements. USDA loans are amazing because they don't require a down payment, making it easier for those living in rural areas to purchase a home. If you love living in the country, this might be right for you. Those are the 4 most common down payment requirements. And here are a few facts that you need to know about all of these loans. Every loan will have closing costs that amount to 2 to 5% of the loan amount. You'll need to save for this, negotiate with the seller to help cover closing costs, or ask your lender about providing a credit to help cover closing costs. Gifts from family are a very common way that many people get into their first home, and all of your down payment and closing costs can be covered by a gift. While it's a great accomplishment to buy a house all on your own, there are many parents and grandparents who take great pride in how much they've saved in order to provide this life-changing gift to you. My advice is to set your ego aside and have the conversation. Down payment assistance programs are available in most states, but not every lender has this as an option. Program guidelines are often very strict and income limits do apply. If your lender doesn't have a down payment assistance option, there's likely another who does. Thankfully, I have a few available. The truth is that most people can get into a house with way less than 20% down payment. Remember, these are just the minimum requirements, and some lenders may have stricter guidelines. If you're thinking about buying a house, it's important to talk to a local lender and understand the options that work best for you.